What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download Diablo 4 on your PC. So what we want to do is go to Google and then simply type in Diablo IV, so 4, and enter. After that, you will see the top result is the game maker itself, but we want to go to Steam because that is our gaming platform. Just simply click on that. After you have arrived at the game page, you can simply watch all the videos about this game, read some information about it. Maybe you want to check what the requirements are for your PC. So just simply check that out. After you have decided to buy the game, you can decide to buy the game just the single game or the digital deluxe edition or the ultimate edition. Make a choice and buy it today, start playing. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in the next video. Cheers!